Hello, welcome to Investor Talk, where we unpack the ideas, trends, and technologies shaping the property investment and real estate industries across South Africa and beyond. And today we're looking at a platform many agents and investors already know, but which is now making it's a major step onto the African continent. And joining us is Adrian Greveur. He's the founder and CEO of My Property, one of South Africa and Namibia's leading independent property portals. Now expanding into Africa with the launch of My Property Africa. We'll talk about how the platform works, how it benefits agents and investors, and what makes it different from traditional portals, and what expansion into Africa means for the industry. Adrian, welcome to Investor Talk. Great having you on the show.
Hey, Neil. Great seeing you again. Really looking forward to the chat and explaining more on what we are trying to do here in the industry.
No, absolutely. So Adrian, then just to start, for viewers hearing about the My Property platform for the first time, maybe explain, what does the platform do and how does it benefit both buyers and estate agents?
Yes, so My Property is part of Integral, which is the company behind everything. We develop real estate CRM systems, compliance systems, websites, and the works for the industry. So we're already servicing part of the African market. And we also have the portal section, which is My Property. Now, the My Property portals in South Africa and Namibia, which have been running for the last 10, 20 years, differentiates themselves from being completely independent. As you know, currently in the industry, most of the other portals that you know about is shareholding from media companies, bond originators, even real estate companies. So there's very few really strong independently owned portals out there. And the advantage that has for consumers and agents alike is tremendous. From the consumer side, we can be completely unbiased in providing you with the best search results, the best financial advice, the best agent, without having influence from any investor or group saying, well, you need to focus on this, or we need to make money, so focus on the big guys. For the agents, similar experience. It's independent. It's if they spend any money on it, it's not flowing up to any of their competitors. And with the model we have, it's actually free. It's free to list. So that's something we've changed last year after the Competition Commission findings. We made the portal free to list, and we've been signing up agents almost daily or weekly, and growing that portal at a really nice pace. And our plan is to just keep it free to list, forever.
So how do you keep the platform? How's it going to evolve over time? Because you've got to stay relevant. The market dynamics change all the time, and I think you've been around for 20 years. I think it is.
Yeah.
And so how do you keep on staying relevant? I mean, it is a rapidly changing digital property market.
It is. I think one of the drawbacks we had before the Competition Commission jumped in is that we really struggled to get access to listings. Everyone was holding on to the data. Nobody wanted to send data out from the listing systems. Because if you sit with all the data, then half of the portal game is won. So we've only been able to really gain some traction probably in the last year or two with new listings, new agencies coming on board. That resulted in us saying, hey, here's an opportunity now. We're getting the listings, and now we can put some money and effort and people onto the portal and develop it and see if we can bring something completely different to the agent, to the industry. As you know, everyone is complaining about high portal fees and this and that. And we said, well, we're going to change that. It's a free to list portal. We'll make money from various other sources linked to this portal and our business. And I think we've nailed a perfect model. We've introduced a few features here and there, but the rest of the services that will generate income from us, there's a lot to follow. So we take a long-term view of the industry, of our position, but at the same time, we see a lot of opportunity now with AI to work a lot faster and prototype a lot faster. And that's where the new My Property Africa portal came in. We've developed it mostly with the assistance of AI development tools, so we could develop it rapidly, and we could introduce some features that's not currently available in the South African market to consumers and agents. For instance, there's a travel time search. So you insert your address and it finds properties within, say, a 10 or 20-minute driving distance. So you're not looking at one suburb only, because you can, live on the wrong street in a suburb and you will hit all that morning traffic and it will take you an hour to work. But living on the other side of the road, there's maybe some other access routes and it will take you 20 minutes to work. So that opens up more. It removes the traditional suburb searches that you get with portals and say, well, just find me properties that's close to my work or close to a school or whatever. We've also introduced something, a draw search. We can just draw, on a map where you're looking for properties. That works quite well. And then another industry first is our voice search, where you can basically click on a button and you say something like, I'm looking for Cape Town apartments, 3-bedroom between 10 and 20,000 a month. That's pet friendly. And it will extract the info and then put it in a search and display the relevant search results for you. There's a lot of experimentation. A lot of the tools we launch and will launch is more prototype than anything else, and we'll launch things and see, does it stick, and how do consumers use it? Are they loving it, or is it a complete disaster? And with the help of AI, it's certainly now possible to do rapid prototypes and test it and see, what works. So we're very excited. If you, very excited about the road ahead and just trying new things in the market. That's property search has been the same for the last 20 years. It's time for something new.
Yeah. So let's just talk a little bit about value to estate agents. I mean, from an agent's perspective, what real value does My Property bring in terms of leads, tools, and maybe helping agents close transactions, which I think are important mechanisms for them to achieve their results?
Yes. So in terms of the transaction management, that's really part of our other business of Integral, where we have deal tracking. We currently track about 1 billion rand of sales a month through the system. So it's picked up. So that part we handle. In terms of My Property, where any estate agent from any group can join, we are focused obviously on lead generation like any other portal. Now, South Africa is, it's getting there, but we need more listings, more support from the industry, and then we can really make the leads fly. But in a country like Namibia, we are the top portal there, and we're the main lead provider. And it's agents there can list for free through our portals. So the value add on the My Property portals is on the buyer leads, but we've introduced other tools now through our marketplace app, which agents have free access to as well. Now, in there, they can, for instance, boost their listings on social media, and we've made it very simple. So you pick your listing. That's the listing I want to promote, and you say you want to promote it for 500 rand or 1,000 rand, whatever. And there's some AI involved there as well. So you can say you want to target young first-time buyers, or you want to target investors or people looking to downscale, and we match it with basically with Meta to deliver those very personalized and customized ads directly on the Meta, Facebook, and Instagram platforms. And all at a click of a button, you can basically promote it, within a minute if you want. And then we provide those results back into the system, so you can exactly see how many people have seen your ad, how many people click through to that listing, and if you receive a listing lead, it will tell you it came from that ad. So in terms of marketing, we've introduced some tools there, and there's some more tools to be launched there. We, for instance, have quite a nice and unique feature where agents can. There's more focus on the top agents where they can promote themselves through our channels. So we do an interview, we do a nice write-up, and then we promote this out to our channels. That's quite a nice feature. And then we provide the agents with free profile websites, where they have like these mini business card websites. All their listings are on there. They can customize it with their social links and languages they can speak. The languages, for instance, is quite a cool feature, because we found in, for instance, Namibia, there is quite an international interest, say from Germany or wherever, and people use that search function on the site to say, well, I'm looking for a German, estate agent who can speak German, that type of thing. So there's all these little tweaks that helps connect consumers with the right agent, whether it be their professional status, their languages they speak, or obviously, where they operate. But there's a lot of value adds we're building there, and it's new stuff launching every month to the industry.
Okay, so let's talk about expansion into Africa. You touched on Namibia. I mean, you're now launching My Property Africa. Why is now the right time to expand, and which are the markets that you are focusing on first?
So we've had this idea for a long time, because we get approached by agents all over Africa, on a regular basis. We run a successful business in Namibia. We don't have offices there, so we know we can take our tools and plant it anywhere on the continent, and it will work. So if we can make it in Namibia, why can't we make it work anywhere else? So we've onboarded agents from Mauritius. It's working well there. We busy onboarding a few agencies at the moment, so getting some traction there. We have someone in Seychelles, hoping to connect with some more agents there. And then, we've just launched in the last 2 weeks. So we've had some discussions with some other agencies in Tanzania, a couple of other places. I think the opportunity in Africa is, any international company can come in and say, "Oh, yes, here's a website or a portal or tools for you." But I think being local and understanding, how we operate in Africa, which is very different to the rest of the world. The real estate industry in every country is not as formal as it is in South Africa. South Africa has all these processes and rules, and you need a FFC to operate. You need the proper training and so forth. And it's not like that with other African countries. And a lot of these countries, you get up in the morning, you decide you want to be a estate agent, and suddenly you are an estate agent and you can advertise. So the one opportunity for us is on the portal side, where we want to replicate what we've done here and say, well, let's at least try to partner and market the top agents in these countries. And the other opportunity is with listing consolidation to get a better overview of what's happening in a country, to try and consolidate the listings in a back end and in a portal, but also to provide those agents with the tools to manage these listings and the contacts. And that's, I think, what differentiates us from a lot of these other portals, is that we can provide an end-to-end solution. We can provide the listing side, and then we can provide the portal side, and then everything in between. If the agent wants a website, we can do it for them. If they want a compliance system, we have a compliance system that works anywhere, and you can do anti-money laundering screening, and a couple of other things. So I think the unified tools, and to make it as cost effective as possible for these agents and as simple as possible, because I think it's very easy to launch complicated tools in a country that you don't understand, and you will have a hard time selling that. So part of our challenge is to say, well, let's try to understand every country where we expand, connect with the best agents, because it's easy to connect with anyone, but connecting with the best agents who can give you a good overview of what's happening and what the challenges are. Then we can look at refining, our tools and systems and see, will it work here? So we don't have a marketing plan to expand to all these countries simultaneously. We're going to play it by ear. We're going to wait for the right opportunities and the right people to connect with us and say, well, here's an opportunity. I think let's make it work. But long term, I think really a great opportunity for a South African company, where we are a very mature market, to lead by example and say, well, this is how we do it in South Africa. I think this can work wherever as well.
Excellent. Good. So finally, Adrian, looking ahead, what message would you like to share with agents considering joining the platform?
I think nothing to lose, unless you maybe have interest or shares in another portal. But still, you have nothing to lose. It doesn't cost you anything. Join. We already deliver thousands of leads to estate agents, and it's growing by the day. We have the likes of Harcourts, EXP, Keller Williams, and Hazemark, and lots of other national groups already on board. And then the bulk of our agents at the moment are independents. That's That's where most of the listings are. But yeah, join. We already have feeds active from Property 24, Prop Control System, PropCon, Prop Data. There's one or two others as well. So no reason not to take a chance. I think, Neil, you would know the industry is changing. There's a lot more focus on tech, and if you don't start to spread your wings and experiment and see what's out there, then you are going to get left behind. If I think for agents, the message is, if you want to walk the road with a company that understands real estate, is independent, and is very much AI focused, and can help you navigate this new AI landscape, then join us. We're building something different, and to the benefit of the whole industry. We are, what we do is also trying to give back to the industry. Is trying to get agents unstuck from, this is the only place where I get my leads, to, oh, there's new opportunities available. Let's try that. So, yeah.
Wonderful. Great. Adrian, it's great chatting to you. Thank you for joining us. And to our viewers, if you're an agent or investor wanting to stay ahead of industry change, keep an eye on developments and join My Property Africa. Yeah, you said it was free.
And if you enjoy, can you believe
it's free. There you go. And if you enjoyed today's conversation, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you don't miss our upcoming talks. Thanks once again, Adrian. And until next time, I'm Neil Peterson. Thanks for watching.